This brand is from Heat Controller, which is a part of Motors and Armatures, and the furnaces are available in the USA and Canada but only through authorized dealers. The brand features antimicrobial drain pans which resist mold and mildew growth, but they do not offer fan coils with communicating controls. The HMG F is a basic multi-position air handler with microchannel coil construction to save space. They have a fixed-speed blower motor and use a piston refrigeration metering device which is used in lower efficiency systems. They only offer electric heat kits up to 10 kW, which may not be enough for all homes, and their standard warranty is not as good as other brands. The HMG X models feature TXV refrigerant control with a constant torque blower motor, while the HCG V has a variable speed blower for quiet efficient operation. The B-VCD models are their best option with variable speed blower motors and state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant control. They also have larger heat kits available in sizes up to 25 kW and a much better guarantee than their other models.